There are many products available to choose stand-up paddleboards, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best stand-up paddleboards from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bote Wulf Aero. The Bote Wulf Aero is a breath of fresh air because it is available at a much lower price than most top-tier boards, while still performing the best in our latest round of inflatable CP testing. Some of this is subjective, based on preferences and experience. But at the end of the day, we think most users will be really pleased with the Bote Wulf. It's lightweight at 16.5 pounds and packs up nicely in its carrying case, along with all its other components. If you plan on traveling around with your SUP and don't have a great transportation method, the deflatable nature of this board is here to save the day. It packs down to 34x19x8.5 and will fit in just about any car. Though inflatable, it is durable, handling bumps against rocks and sandy beaches with no trouble. Plus, this model has good features for towing, tying, or bringing along gear. The stable design paired with a soft pad on the deck is great for resting or even for yoga. Number 2. Tahe Beach Performer. If you can't afford the premium SUP models but still want a high-quality board, take a look at the Tahe Beach Performer. This board is great for beginners and intermediate paddlers seeking a durably constructed model that offers good glide and high levels of stability. It has an easy-to-attach fin and is a great introductory board for those who want to save some money, yet are willing to invest a bit in a quality SUP. Its shorter size makes it easier to maneuver, and we think it's a good value for a solidly built paddleboard. The Beach Performer isn't the board we'd recommend for folks who will be frequently paddling in choppier waters. It's shorter and wider than many models we tested, and has a blunt nose, which doesn't slice through waves as well. However, on flat water, it's quite stable. This board has a lower weight limit, 200 lbs, compared to many boards, so take that into account when considering your purchase. Number 3. Isle Cruiser 2. The Isle Cruiser 2 is one of the most stable SUPs we've had the pleasure of taking out on the water. This is an excellent beginner, intermediate board for paddlers prioritizing stability and transportation convenience. The Cruiser 2 has low side rails, giving this board next-level stability. From yoga sessions to facing windy waves, this board feels like it can handle anything you throw its way when it comes to balance. The ease of transporting this SUP cannot be highlighted enough, tester Katie Young remarked. It has a lightweight build with a convenient pop-out handle that makes it simple to lift on and off a vehicle solo and carry down to the water. Its flatter build and easily removable fin also makes it ideal for stacking with multiple boards for transport. As a round nose board, it does not cut through the water like some more pointed nose-shaped SUPs. It has a decent acceleration. You can go from stopping to moving with just a few strokes. Number 4. Bluefin Cruise Carbon. Most inflatable SUPs offer great value, durability, and ease of transport compared to their rigid counterparts. However, they usually suffer from poor glide performance and stability. The Bluefin Cruise Carbon bucks that notion, thoroughly impressing us with its top-tier stability and solid glide performance. This SUP has a separate inflatable deck chamber, making it feel much more like a rigid board, more fun to paddle, and better for rougher conditions. While not as speedy or efficient as the rigid race-style boards, it's not so far behind that we wouldn't mind taking it on a longer paddling trip. This is our top choice if you plan on going the inflatable route but don't want to sacrifice technical prowess. The only notable downside to this stand-up paddleboard is the cost. It is a bit pricier than many inflatable models, on par price-wise with most rigid models that outperform it in some metrics. Number 5. iSUP Maui Tau Fit At. If you are searching for an all-around quality stand-up paddleboard that functions well for a few $100 cheaper than the ultra-premium models, we highly recommend the iSUP Maui Tau Fit At. This board is one of our favorite options to recommend to families or beginners, as it is significantly more durable than some of the fiberglass options, while still offering a solid paddling performance. It's nice and stable for those just learning how to SUP, and offers good enough glide performance that you can undertake longer tours without it becoming unduly fatiguing. This model also fares quite well in rougher waters and is fairly maneuverable. One slight concern we had with this board is its lower than average recommended weight capacity of 220 pounds. This can mean a loss of stability for larger folks, or those planning to transport cargo, kids, coolers, canines, etc. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.